Look at these two pictures of sharks. What are your thoughts about the sharks? Many times, authors of informational books are giving us facts about a topic. Other times, authors write to tell us what they think or believe about something. Then, as a reader, we can look for the reasons that support the points an author wants to make. Today, I want to teach you how to identify reasons that support an author's point. One way we can do this is by noticing, what does the author think about a subject? Then, we can look for facts that prove what the author thinks. This will help us to have a better understanding of what the author's ideas are about a topic. The book that we are going to use to do this work on is called Shocking Sharks. We are going to fast forward to page 8. Because remember, when you're reading nonfiction, you don't have to read the whole thing in order. First, I'm going to read this part. Then we're going to ask ourselves, what does the author think? What do sharks look like? A shark's body shape helps it swim quickly through the water. It has a streamlined body that cuts through the sea easily. Sharks also have powerful tails that push them along. They have fins to keep them balanced. Now I want to ask myself, what does the author think? Well, I can see right here that it says a shark's body shape helps it to swim quickly through the water. I think that is what the author thinks. Now I want to think, what facts did the author use to prove what he thinks? The author certainly used some facts to help back up that he was thinking that a shark's body shape helps it to swim quickly through the water. It says right here that it has a streamlined body that cuts through the sea easily, and that they also have powerful tails that help to push them along quickly, and that the fins keep them balanced. All of these facts help to prove that the shark's body shape helps it to swim quickly through the water. Readers, do you see what we did? First, we asked ourselves, what does the author think? Then we asked ourselves, what facts did the author use to prove what he thinks? Now it's your turn. You're going to keep doing this work with bite power. First, read the passage. Then ask yourself, what does the author think? Then ask yourself, what facts did the author use to prove what he thinks?